Getting started on Discord after signing up is straightforward. Follow these steps to complete your setup and make the most out of your Discord experience. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Discord. Click the link in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial for accessing all features and ensuring your account is secure. Step 2. Customize your profile. Log into Discord and navigate to user settings by clicking on the gear icon near your username. Here you can change your profile picture, set a nickname, and update your status. Personalizing your profile helps others recognize you in servers. Step 3. Join or create a server. To start interacting with others, you can either join an existing server or create your own. Click the plus icon on the left side to create a server or use the join a server option to enter an invite link for a server you want to join. Step 4. Set up your voice and video settings. Go to user settings and select voice and video to configure your audio and video settings. Test your microphone and speakers to ensure they are working properly. Adjust the input and output volume to your preference for a better communication experience. Step 5. Explore Discord features. Familiarize yourself with Discord's features like channels, direct messages, and roles. Spend some time exploring the interface, joining discussions, and engaging with the community to fully utilize the platform. Now that you've completed your setup, you're ready to enjoy all that Discord has to offer. Happy chatting!